How to check if someone is using your Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're worried that someone might be using your Instagram account without your permission, today we are going to show you how you can check for any kind of suspicious activity and protect your account. So first, let's look out on your recent activity to see if there is anything unfamiliar. So open up your Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And after that, you can go ahead and tap on the menu bar at the top right corner and head over to your settings. Once you reach over here, you can look out for your activity here. And once you reach over here, you can look out for the interactions. Like if there is any kind of interactions that you have not done, there may be someone that may have logged in your account. Otherwise, the next thing we can do is head over back and head over to account security. And once you reach over here, you're going to look out for your password and security. So you can look out for this option here, and you can find this option called where you're logged in. So when you tap on this option and then head over to your account, you will be finding the devices that you're logged in. So if there's any kind of unfamiliar devices right here, that means your account has been logged in into another devices, or other people have logged in into your account. So that is how you can check if someone is using your Instagram account. If you find that device right here, you can just select the devices to log out and then make your device more stronger by using two-factor authentication. So therefore, these are the processes we follow up. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.